guys, welcome back to REC-tivity. Today I'm going to show you how to make this adorable salt dough handprint bowl for Father's Day. For today's craft project, you're going to need the following items: a knife, a pen or pencil, a paintbrush, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of water, a cup of table salt, a rolling pin, a mixing bowl, acrylic paint, your choice color, and a sealer. First, we're going to mix our ingredients. Mix with your hands until you have a dough. Once your dough is done, you're going to go ahead and flatten it out, and you're going to want to roll it to about 1 centimeter thick. Next, you will get your child's hand and you will trace it with a pen or pencil. Once you're done, you'll cut the excess dough around the handprint. You'll then place the handprint upside down on your small microwavable bowl. You can place it in the microwave in 10-second intervals until the dough is completely dry. Once your salt dough is dry, your child can now paint the hand. And there you go. Once it's dried and sealed, it is ready to give to Dad for Father's Day. This is a great gift for dads to put their cufflinks, rings, or watches. I hope you all have a wonderful Father's Day. Thanks for watching.